Hi everyone, this is Sanjay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper cup. This can be made with many designs or can be written something on it or can also be plain as you wish. If this is your first time here, I upload videos of crafts, drawing, cooking and many more. So start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. So now let's get started. So first, take a square paper. I'm taking 20 into 20 centimeter square paper. If you want a bigger cup, you can take a bigger square paper. Then fold from here to here. Then open it again and fold from here till this crease. Then do the same thing on the other side, that is from here to here. You have to fold it. After folding this, keep it vertically and fold from here till the upper part, that is still here. Then open it again and fold from the bottom till the crease that you made. And open it, and from the bottom till here you have to fold it. Now do the same thing on this side also. From here to here you have to fold it. Then open it and from here to here. After this, fold from the bottom till the second crease on the top. The first one is about this is the first one, this is the second one. Fold it till here. And do the same thing on the other side. From here to the second one. After folding this, just open it and even open these two. Then take any blade or scissor and cut this crease out. You can see this line. Just cut this part out. I'm using a blade to cut this one. Now you don't need this one, you can throw it away. Then take a scissor. Before cutting the part that I'm going to show you, just fold this crease properly so that you can see it. Then over here, the last piece, you can just cut it out. The last rectangular piece. Now you don't need this piece, you can throw it. And then on the last one, you can see many lines. Just cut on those lines like this. You have to cut it like this, and then you have to fold this one again. Yeah, just keep it like this. Then stick this last piece to this piece. So just take any glue, put it on this piece, and then stick it to the last one, to the other last piece. After it dries, just open all this so that it will look like a flower. Just open it, then close one of them and apply glue to the one next to that, and then stick these two like this. Just stick it like this, and on the next one also you have to stick like that. On this one you have to just stick it like this. For all the papers you have to stick one by one. Okay, now this is ready. After sticking this, keep this aside and take a small square paper, that is a 9 into 9 centimeter square paper. Then fold from the bottom to the top. Then open it again, and then from the bottom till the crease. Then fold the crease again, and then before you fold it again, just apply glue to the last one, and then stick it. Just fold it and stick it. After sticking it, just fold a little at the bottom, a little piece, and then even on the other side you have to fold it, and apply glue on both the pieces that you have folded. Then take the cup you made and then stick one piece on the top, and then the other one should be sticked to the bottom. Just bend it a little and stick it. After sticking, just press it a little bit and make the handle like a curved one. After that, at last you have to see if there are any pieces extending out like this one. If there are, you can just cut it out. After cutting these pieces, your paper cup will be ready. So this, now I have made designs like this. You can make any design you like. And on another one I have written coffee mug. You can write whatever you want. You can write your name or cool buddy, anything like that, or you can just leave it plain like the one we made. So this is your choice, whichever you want you can make it. This craft is a very good craft that kids will like, especially small children. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more crafts, drawing, cooking and many more, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so that you don't miss anything. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and tell me how this craft is in the comment section, and share this video to whoever likes to do crafts. I'll see you in the next video.